Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to clean and change the filter on a Blueair air filter. The air filter that you see over here, I'll leave a link to this down below in the description where you can find it for yourself. What you want to first do is make sure that your Blueair filter is turned off. You're basically just going to twist the top half opening. And then if you open this up, I usually have a vacuum with me at all times just to kind of vacuum other debris and stuff. Now this top ring is going to pop off as well. And then what you see here is basically the front sheet. So this front sheet that you see here, I'll actually spend some time vacuuming that in a second. But if you peel it off, you can use this Velcro strap to unhook it even more. So now with the outer coating off, you can pop the actual air filter off. And so this will be actually thrown away. And so we'll hold that to the side and then we'll just vacuum multiple areas here. Now with this portion here, I tend to use like a roller brush that looks like this nozzle here attachment. So this is gonna roll at the same time just to kind of make sure that you grab that dirt that you see there. So attach this. And I'll do it for the other side. As long as you use some sort of vacuuming, what we'll do now is that we'll grab our brand new air filter that you see here. And so the top of the air filter is the one where you see these kind of pull out strings. So I'll place this back on top of here. Go ahead and push down and then grab your oversheet coating. And what we'll do is we'll place it over. And so with this oversheet coating, you just want to make sure that this is completely vertical and it's not like slanted in any way. But just make sure it's nice and secure. And then the last thing, second to last thing, is to reattach your ring here. So this simply just locks into place. And then last but not least, you want to grab your top half and just twist it into place. So once you have your air filter changed out, you simply just plug it in. And now when you turn it back on, your red ring is still probably gonna be there. So you just wanna press it and then hold. And then it's gonna start blinking. But after that, the red light should disappear. And so now the indicator shows that the Blueair filter is on. And so with that being said, the air filter ring is now turned off, and there you have it. That's how you actually go ahead and change out the Blueair filter. So in about 6 months or so, this ring is going to turn red again. Now you know how to change out a Blueair filter. The filter that I use is again going to be down below in the description where you can find it.